Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with Craigslist if your email verification has failed. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page we're greeted by. From here we can get started browsing all the categories we can use for finding items, and in the upper right corner we have the login option. So you can use the account tab to go and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go and log in normally. So let's go and take a look at what to do if you're not getting any email confirmations when trying to log into your account and you keep receiving 0 emails and you can just not create an account. So basically guys, there is usually no quick fix. You want to go ahead and check your spam folder, make sure Craigslist is not ending in spam for some reason, and make sure you have actually received the email. If you have not received the email and checked everywhere, what's left for you to do is go to craigslist.org/contact, go right here and open up the technical support option. By clicking technical support, it's going to give you some options you can access. As you can see, one of them is called I'm not receiving emails from Craigslist confirmation emails, and this is what you want to open up. By clicking this is going to go ahead and enable you to check some common fixes. But if nothing is working, you want to contact them by clicking contact us button. It's going to enable you to get in touch with them, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.